Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to mask in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Begin by opening Adobe Premiere Pro and import the video footage you want to edit. In the project panel, right-click and select New Item, then Adjustment Layer. Drag it to the timeline above the footage you want to mask. Now select the pen tool from the toolbar. This is used to draw the mask. With the pen tool, draw a shape around the area you want to mask. Click to create anchor points and adjust the shapes as needed. You can further adjust the mask shape by clicking on the mask in the Effect Control panel and modifying the control points. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.